What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a review of the PrimAcc fast wireless charger. So let's get into it. So the PrimAcc fast wireless charger, it's a sleek looking charger that features two fast charging coils which offers no blind spots in the charging. This means you can have your phone on the charger either landscape mode or portrait, and we'll get into this more a little bit later as to why this is useful. On the Amazon product page, the list of compatible devices is as follows: the Galaxy S6, the S6 Edge, S6 Edge Plus, S7, S7 Edge, and more. Some devices may also require the addition of a QI charging receiver, which is not included obviously. Also, something to note is that the fast charge modes are only available for 4 models currently: the Galaxy S7, S7 Edge, S6 Edge Plus, and the Note 5. All other devices will be charged at the regular speed, which is on their webpage marketed at 3 to 4.5 hours, while the fast charging is marketed at 2 to 3 hours. At the time of this video, I only have a Galaxy S6, so I carried out a few tests using my S6. First, I charged the phone from 50% to 100% using the PrimAcc fast wireless charger. I also did the same test from 50% on the original Galaxy S6 charger. And finally, I used the standard fast charge cable that came with my phone. So let's have a little look at the results. So the Galaxy S6 from 50 to 100% on the PrimAcc fast wireless charger took 96 minutes. And on the original Galaxy wireless charger, we also got 96 minutes. And then on the original Galaxy fast charging cable, we got 53 minutes. So as you can see, there's no real difference between the two wireless chargers, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't buy this charger. If you have a newer phone, say like the Galaxy S7, you will benefit from the fast charge function. You also will have the added bonus of being able to set your phone horizontally on the charger and watch, let's say, a movie or a video while your phone is charging. In conclusion, guys, I would recommend this charger to anyone who doesn't currently own a wireless charger already, but if you did get a wireless charger with your phone like I did with my Samsung, you'd probably be better off saving your money. Which brings me on to the price. At the time of this video, the PrimAcc fast wireless charger cost me £15, and you can find the Amazon link in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, dislike if you didn't, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.